Naka-crop top. Hindi na nahiya. Pero mag-picture yun.
Di ba kaya tapos ka na mag-edit ng kasi ayaw na ko pa rin mong tuwa sa pagkanis.
Naisip ko po, naisip ko, pas po, di ba? Ayaw po, pambuhay po kasi yung nursing, kaya naisip ko siguro.
Nursing? Hindi pa babae naman talaga yung nursing ha. Ba't di ka na lang mag-police, sundalo, maging engineer?
Every day, we wake up and show up in the world as students, workers, parents, or friends. We all carry the same desire to be seen, to be safe, and to be treated with dignity. But for many, that simple right is still out of reach. I'm a woman. I am bold, but they told me to just be quiet.
I'm gay. They told me my outfit is too much.
I'm bi, and since I'm bi, they don't want to see me crying.
People are told in subtle and loud ways that who they are is too much, too confusing, or too different. Not because they've hurt anyone, but because of how they express themselves.
Thank you. Okay ka lang ba ako? Are you sure? Alam mo, it's okay to express yourself. Wala naman mali siya kung in-express mo yung nanay.
Be proud of who you are.
Bading.
Tumigil nga kayo. Bakit? Wala namang masama sa kanya. Eh ano kung naka-crop top? Ano kung badi? Bakit? May problema ba kayo?
Nursing? Hindi pa babae naman talaga yung nursing ha.
Ay pa, yun yung gusto ko eh. Nursing yung gusto ko.
Ay nakakendi, pagka mandiwal yan sa ama mo. Piliin mo kung anong gusto mo kasi wala namang kasalan pinipilang sa bako. Kung gusto mo yan, go for it.
Despite the challenges, love shall continue to rise.
And when people are accepted, they thrive, they lead, and they inspire.
You don't have to be loud to make change. You just have to stand up, speak up, and never let anyone be erased.